Good morning, dear students. Previously, we have discussed two chapters, chapter number 1 and chapter number 8 from History and Civics. Today, we are going to learn chapter number 13, India, Location, Geological Structure and Physiography, Part 1. So, let's start. As we all know that India holds a unique position among the countries of the world. India is a country having largest democracy and its culture is also one of the oldest one. The coordinating attitude of our culture has not discarded any religion, race or people but has accepted them wholeheartedly. Thus, impartiality toward all religion, people and race is the peculiar characteristics of India. That is why it is said that India has become a cultural confluence. That in India we have seen different type of culture, sangam of different culture, combination of different cultures. We have accepted all the people from different religion, different caste, different languages wholeheartedly and impartially toward all religion, people and races is the peculiar characteristics. We never discriminated people with their, we can say that for their religion, race, caste, etc. But we have accepted them wholeheartedly. So this is the unique quality or characteristics of our country and we should proud for this. Unity in diversity is seen in India. That is why it is said that unity in diversity is seen in India. Different type of people are living in India. Different, we can say that relief in the matter of relief feature also we have seen different type of relief features in India. One place is different from another. So these are the all, we can say that qualities of our country and we should proud for our country. Now let's see the location of India. So here we have a map, atlas map of the world. And here latitudes and longitudes are given to us, degrees are given to us for our better understanding. Here it is said that latitudes and longitudes are the imaginary lines which help us to know the location of particular place in the map. So first, before starting, we will see latitudes and longitudes. Here we have a globe where the latitudes are given. Latitudes are the horizontal lines, okay, and at the center we have a 0 degree which is known as equator. Equator is also an imaginary line which divides the whole globe into two parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. It starts from 0 degree at the middle, then 20 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree, like this. And this measure latitudes measures north and south of equator, help us to measure north and south of the equator. Latitudes are the vertical lines, okay. Here at the middle we have a equator 0 degree, then here also north pole and south pole. At the center we have a prime meridian line. These longitudes measures east and west part of prime meridian. So this help us to know the exact, or we can say that, position of India. So here in the map you can see that India lies in the northern hemisphere. You can see that the whole map is divided into 4 parts. Here at the center we have a 0 degree equator. Equator divides the north part as a northern hemisphere and south part at a southern hemisphere. Then here also prime meridian divides east part as a eastern hemisphere and west part as a western hemisphere. So we can say that India lies in the northern hemisphere as well as in the eastern hemisphere. Here 0 degree equator. Now what is the position of India? Let's see that the span of the mainland of India extend from 8 degree here at 0 degree above 8 degree 4 minute 8 degree 4 minute to here you can see 20 degree and 40 degree. So at the 37 degree 6 minute north latitude, there is the, we can say that latitudinal extent of India. It starts from 8 degree 4 minute to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude. Then longitudinal extent. So it extend. Here you can see that 0 degree, 20 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree, 60 degree, here 100 degree. So that position of India is 68 degree 7 minute to 97 degree 25 minute east longitude. So this is the longitudinal as well as latitudinal extent of India. Here Tropic of Cancer divides the country into two parts. Now we can see that Tropic of Cancer located at 23 degree 5 minute north latitude divides India into two parts. So Tropic of Cancer located at northern hemisphere, whereas Tropic of Capricorn located at southern hemisphere at the same position at 23 degree 5 minute north latitude. So on the map, this way you can identify the location of India. Let's study in detail. On page number 100, the map of India is given. Latitudes, longitudes as well as the degrees are also given here. So with the help of degrees and with the help of latitudes and longitudes, we will see the position of India. Again, the India mainland, span of the mainland of India extend up to 8 degree 4 minute to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude, and from 68 degree 7 minute to 97 degree 25 minute east longitude. Tropic of Cancer, this line is a Tropic of Cancer located at 23 degree 5 minute north latitude divides the country into two parts. Its northern parts is spread more over in east and west direction. The larger plains as well as Himalaya mountain ranges are located in this part. The area of south of Tropic of Cancer is triangular in shape and taper toward the south. This is basically a part of Peninsula Plateau. It includes eastern plains and western narrow coastal plains. The longitudinal as well as latitudinal extent are almost equal, which is of 30 degree. Then we can see the length from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. The length is 3,214 km. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, the width is about 2,933 km. There is a time lag of 2 hours in the local times between the extreme places starting from Gujarat in the west and Arunachal Pradesh in the east because of the longitudinal differences. When it is sunrise in Arunachal Pradesh, it is still night in Gujarat, or we can say that when it is 10 a.m. in Arunachal Pradesh, it is 8 a.m. in Gujarat. So there is a difference of 2 hours because of a longitudinal differences. Standard meridian of India is 82 degree 30 minute east longitude. It passes from 5 states: Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And the local time of Mirzapur is taken as a standard meridian time. This is the location of India. Now let's see the size of India. Total area of India is 32.8 lakh square kilometer, and India ranks 7th in the world in terms of area, and other 6 countries larger than India are Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. The land boundary of India is 15,106 km, whereas the coastline, total length of the coastline of India is 7,516 km, including Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep Island. Bay of Bengal lies in the east, Arabian Sea lies in the west and Indian Ocean lies in the south. So this is the size and location of India. Dear students, this map which is given on a page number 100, you have to copy this map. You should bring a physical map and you have to copy this map in your own map. Thank you.